out the way.
We are getting ready to show Kyla her surprise for her birthday. Look, sweetie. It's back here.
Oh, gosh, look at that.
Do you see it? What is it?
It's right there.
But
What is it?
Are you excited?
I don't know. This is a paper.
You want to go see it? Okay, come on down.
Oh.
Okay.
Let me help you.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you. She said, "Oh my gosh, look at that."
Or was it oh my goodness? I think it was
I don't
oh my
know.
goodness.
Kyla, it's yours and John Henry's and Abby May's
Are you
to
excited?
play with on all you want. It's from Nana and Papa and Mommy and Daddy.
Oh boy. Go for it, girl.
Okay.
Look at that. You like it?
You can hold on to the rope. It'll help pull you up. Grab a hold of it.
She's mounting some pants. There's a ladder over here.
You can hold on to it. Go for it, girl.
We'll help you.
Oh, it's a little hot, I guess. The
It's hard.
side's just still a little warm. That's why she's a little. It's not too
Let me help you?
You got it.
Pull on the rope. You pull on it and it helps you get up. That's so good. You're doing good, sweetie.
There's a spider.
No. I got you. Come on. There's not a spider, baby. There's not a spider.